Hey everybody, Dr. Drew here. We're about to start the Texas beans. Here we got Cowboy beans on, and I'm going to let the other chef explain how this has gone and what you've done so far.
Alright, we've got 1 can of pinto beans in each tray here. We've quartered an onion, a purple onion, split it between all the trays. We've also got half of a red pepper in each one. Let's see, probably a half a pound of bacon in each one, and now we're on to the green peppers, and then Dr. Drew's plethora of spices over there have yet to be gone into.
Yeah, these measurements that I'm using when I say about, that's an accurate and good measure. We're feeding 60 or about 64 people. About a quarter cup of molasses to the beans, and I put molasses in them, and now I've got here. So I'm going to use the same cup that I used for the molasses right here, and the reason is because I want to make sure that I get the rest of that molasses into the beans, and barbecue sauce that's going in them. And each one's taking about a half a cup. And just tell us real quick how what we're gonna do out there on the smoker.
Oh, I've got the smoker already warmed up, smoking. It's preheated at 225, and it's got post oak in it. That's what we're gonna be putting on the beans. So.
All right. So you see this really quick. I'll just take a video. Tell me what we're gonna have to do.
Well, the firebox is right here, so this end's gonna get the most heat. So we're gonna have to rotate them a couple of times probably.
Okay.
So the ones down here I never took. This gauge down here usually runs about 15 degrees hotter than that one. So.
And this
is we just let all the heat out of it, so now we have to let it heat back up.
I got you. So this is all smoking process. Okay then. I don't know if you happen to notice this, but my other chef, his name is Andy. So you could say you have Cooking with Dr. Drew's. Or I guess that would be Drawn. Yeah. Cooking with Dr. Drawn. When you caught that, that was a little bit of a play on words, since there are two of us, and you got Drew and Drew, so it's Drawn. That was a joke, and quite a good one, I thought. All right, on to the next thing. Here, right now, I'm just peeling potatoes. You don't really want to see all that, but I'm going to show you anyway. All right, down to the last potato. Let me give you a couple of secrets here. The first thing is, when you have potatoes in a lot of water like that, even though you're going to let them soak, or you're just keeping them from getting brown, go ahead and put some seasoned salt in the water. That'll keep them from getting brown. You can tell from the noise that the food is excellent. There's my other chef. This is Andy, right there, and of course I'm Drew. Let me show you what we got here. We ended up with French fries, cowboy beans, brisket, and sausage. Andy did the sausage at the last minute, so that was kind of a special deal for us. And then I'm going to walk over here. Sandy made, so it was definitely a joint effort all the way around. Just great. It's turned out great. We've had a good time. This has been Cooking with Dr. Drew. And remember, eat because you want to. And let me see if I can get the other Drew to say the tagline.
Because you want to.
Yeah, there we go. See? It's just a little thing.
Very good, guys.